Hello everyone. I am Santosh Sugarnaudrao. Today date is 18 December 2021. Today topic is abstraction and encapsulation. Um, uh, Abstraction encapsulation. Abstraction versus encapsulation. Java is an object-oriented programming language, and it follows the OOPS concept. The OOPS concept includes classes, object, polymerization, inheritance. There are two other features of the OOPS, for example, abstraction and encapsulation. They both are seems very similar but totally different in concept and implementation. The major difference in abstraction and encapsulation is the abstraction hides the code complexity, while the encapsulation hides the internal working from the outside world. In this section, we will discuss abstraction and encapsulation, uh, and the difference between abstraction and encapsulation in Java. Uh, and it is a sorry, abstraction. It is the features of OOPS. It is used to hide the unnecessary information or data from the user, but show shows the essential data the useful for the user. It can be achieved by using interface and abstract classes. It in interface only the methods are exposed to end user. The best example of abstraction is a TV remote. The user only interact with the outer interface, that is nothing but keys. The user only knows which key pressed for what function. Encapsulation is also a feature of OOPS. It is used to bind up the data into the single unit called class. It provides the mechanism which is known as data hiding. It is an important features of OOPS. It prevents to access data members from the outside of the class. It is also necessary from the security of point of view. Abstraction and encapsulation. Abstraction is the features of OOPS that hides the unnecessary details but shows the essential information. Encapsulation is also features of OOPS. It hides the code and data into a single entity or unit so that data can be protected from the outside world. In abstraction, it solves an issue at the design level. Encapsulation solves the issue in at implementation level. Abstraction is focused on the external lookout. It focus on internal encapsulation. It focus on internal working. Abstraction, it can implement using abstract classes and interface. It can be implemented by using the access modifier private, public, protected. It is a process gaining information. The process of containing the information. In abstraction, we use the abstract classes and interface to hide the code of complexity. We used then encapsulation, we use the getter and setters methods to hide the data. uh, in abstraction, the objects are encapsulated the help of to perform abstraction, and the object not need abstraction the result in encapsulation. Java is the object oriented language. It enable us organized our program into simpler logic units known as object, and offers abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymerization. Uh, OOPS is the methodology by which one can be design a program by implementing classes and their object. What is the abstract class? Uh, an abstract class is a class that deals with the abstraction of our program. So the question arises, what abstraction is. Mm, in general terms, abstraction is the features of object oriented programming that shows only essential information and hides unnecessary information. The foremost purpose of abstraction is hides the unnecessary details from the user. Abstraction selecting is selecting data that beneficial and relevant for the user from a much bigger pool of information. In object oriented programming, through abstraction, the programmer tries to ensure that only functionality is provided to the user. All the implementation and other extractions accept are kept hidden to reduce complexity and increase the program efficiency. uh, Thank you.